Hi everyone, welcome to Friday Sews. Today is Tuesday. I'm fairly sure it's Tuesday. So I'm gonna not set myself a challenge, but I'm very time limited this week. So today would normally be my day off, but I've been covering for a colleague this morning, and I'm finishing work early on Thursday and covering for a colleague because she's away on holiday. So I've got very little, well, that's not true. I had time where I could have sewn, but I chose to have a couple of days of downtime this week, and I feel quite rested, and I'm pleased I took that time. So I'm not rushing to make anything this week, but what I'm going to do is I need to do a bit of a cut-out-a-thon. Is that even a word, or have I just made it up? So I've already got the Fibre Mood Judy Dress cut out, and I've also got the Sadie skirt. So these were potential makes for February. Well, they weren't potential makes, they were things I saw I was going to make. So this is the Sadie skirt that's cut out ready, and I have got a t-shirt cut out that wasn't in my plans, but it would be quite nice to get it sewn. And yeah, I still need to do the buttonholes on the Margot dress, which is hanging on the door. Before you ask what this is the, I'll put the name of it in because I've forgotten the name. It's a dressmaker's closet. It was the last blouse that was released a few months ago, and it's I've hacked it into a skirt. So it's the Animal Glow fabric from Minerva. I'll put it in because I can't remember the name off the top of my head. I do apologise. But I feel quite dressed up because I've been working this morning. So I thought I'd just pop on and so I've got a few things that I want to get cut out and see how I get on with my preparation. I'm starting to do that thing, you know, when you go away you're all like, I must remember to get like shampoo and deodorant. I've just met Judith for a cup of coffee to drop some sewing paraphernalia off for her, and she was like, yeah, I need to remember, you know, like the notions that I need, like elastic and stuff. You'd think we were going the back of Beyond, wouldn't you? We're not. We're like literally about 40 minutes away from home with a stop at a sewing shop in between. But yeah, I need to start thinking about what things do I need to take with me, so I've got everything that I need with me for the weekend. So I thought I would just pop on, say hello, give you that little update, and then I may get a little bit of sewing done tonight, I'm not sure. And I was thinking, oh yeah, I'll get some done on Wednesday. No, because when I finish work we're off to see Sarah Milligan tomorrow, so I'm really looking forward to that. And so that's all of tomorrow gone. And then on Thursday, where's my week going? I'm at work on the morning, but I've got a few hours on the afternoon, and then I'm covering for my colleague on the night, and then we get up and we're off on our little trip on a Friday. So Thursday afternoon I'm going to come back, give you a little update on where I'm at with my prep, cutting out, etc., because that's my priority right now. I don't want to go away and be sort of stooped over cutting out. I'm doing that thing, you know, if you go to a social sewing session anywhere, you'll know this. So you take like 100 more projects than you really know that you're going to get done, but you just take them just in case you're going to get them all done. You know exactly what I mean, don't you? That's kind of how I'm feeling at this point. But yeah, there's a lot going on. I've got a new pattern that I've just received today, which is launching in the middle of March, which I can't tell you about yet, but I've got the fabric, the pattern's arrived, so I want to probably get that cut out. And then it's what's the challenge called? So Frugal, which I told you all was happening in February, and it's not at all, it's March. So on Sunday the 3rd of March, that's my vlog for that. So I need to get that make. I don't need to, but I want to get that make done for that. So I'll be getting that prepped, and there is a new pattern from the dressmaker's closet, which I've got the fabric I shared with you last week, but I've not got the launch date for that yet, but that could be in March. So I feel like there's a lot going on that I can't quite tell you about yet, but I will be able to very soon. But I have got other things that I do want to make. So yeah, I'll come back to you on Thursday with an update. Catch you soon. Hi, welcome back. It is Friday now, so I'm a little bit later putting this out than normal, but I have had a couple of productive days. I'm literally heading off in around just over an hour to our sewing retreat weekend, so I'm hoping to vlog a little bit of that, and fingers crossed, if I remember to get the camera out and things, I will share that with you on Monday. So progress, what have I made, what have I done this week? I'm really happy actually, because I didn't really think I was going to have that much progress to share. But one of the things I want to work on and get finished while I'm away, in fact the first thing I want to do is do the Judy Dress by Fibre Mood. And I really wanted to get to the point where I had the bodice just fitted. I know a lot of people have sized down on it. I think I made the large, but I will check that, because I'll share it as a finished make over the weekend. The instructions are packed, so I can't remember which one I did do. So this is a viscose chalice that I got from Rainbow Fabrics a long time ago, because I don't order from them anymore. So it was, oh god, well over a year ago. It's lovely, it's beautiful to sew with, and the Fibre Mood has a button down placket at the back, which you're not even going to really be able to see. Now it does have a bias bound neckline, but I decided to go with a facing. So I'll leave the details there on that, and I'll come back to that more when I've got the finished vlog and explain why. I need to sew the buttons on the back, but what I wanted to do was get the fit right. So I'm pleased that I didn't size down, because I feel across my shoulders and across my chest it's actually fine. What I did do once I tried it on, because it is a smocky dress, but I don't want it to be overly smocky. Is that even a word? Have I just made that up? Probably. So I'm pleased I did that, because I've actually taken probably an inch in from the side seams. I graded it into the waist at first, but I felt like it was a bit gapey around the sleeves. I know the sleeves aren't attached, so that will be different then, but it doesn't have a dart in the bust, unless I missed it off on the pattern, but I don't think it does. And yeah, I'm much happier with that fit, so I'm happier to go with. I know I could have tried it on and done that while I was away, but I just wanted to do that while I was at home. So look forward to sharing that with you as a finished make. And the other thing that I've made, excuse me while I reach down here, is the Friday Pattern Company Bateau top. It's kind of my favourite t-shirt at the moment, in this bamboo jersey, which is from Thirst for Fabrics. I've got two colourways in this. I shared this a few weeks ago. I've had this one cut for a few weeks, and I wanted to get this made up. It is, I wish I could get you to feel how soft this is. It's the first time I've used bamboo jersey. It feels incredible. I think for the winter, like for layering up garments, this would be perfect. So I've got this one, it's all finished. I haven't hemmed the bottom, because my plan is that it's going to go under a Norman jumpsuit that I'm sewing this weekend, and not that the hem is very thick on the sleeves, but I just want to have the smoothest line that I can. Oh, sorry. Smoothest line that I can on the bottom of it. So that was like a 1 hour sew after work yesterday, but the colour is really my colour. I got like a maybe a cornflower blue purpley colour for the other colourway in it, but I've not cut that out yet. So they're the two makes that I've got done so far this week, and yeah, I'm all packed, I'm all ready, and I'm a little bit excited. So I'm looking forward to sharing that. I am going to make, I know I said I might not make an effort, but I am going to make a real effort to record whilst I'm away. And a quick little update on the Margot, I will be sharing that with you. But when I looked at my buttons, I talked for a while about all the vintage buttons that I've got, but all the metal ones were metal, sorry, I'm from the northeast, metal. They were gold or brass, and I just didn't feel like they went with the colour of the cord, and they're just not really me. And the dungaree metal clips that I've got are like a chrome silver, so I've actually ordered some silver buttons which will arrive today, so I'll get those on and get that updated with you as soon as I can. So I hope you've had a lovely sewing week. As always, I just love to chat to you, so drop me some comments. Please do give me that thumbs up. We're heading towards 4,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to hit that. I think it's incredible. I know lots of you watch that aren't subscribed, but it doesn't cost anything. If you want to just click that button to subscribe. If you don't want to get any notifications, that's all you need to do. But if you do want to get a notification that just says when I've shared a video, you just click the bell that's got the two little things at the side. If you've not used that subscribe before, you'll just need to kind of create an account, but you don't get bombarded by them or anything like that. But if you can give me a little thumbs up, a little comment, that would be amazing. Happy sewing everybody, and I'll catch up with you after the weekend. Bye for now.